What's up YouTube, Jeff back again today, another very exciting Samsung video for you guys. And today I want to talk about multitasking on your Galaxy phone. Particularly, Samsung has great multitasking options. Namely, you've got split screen and you also have pop-up view. And there are some options in the advanced settings that you probably know that are pretty helpful. If you go into the advanced settings and go into multi-window, you can turn on swipe for split screen and swipe for pop-up view, and full screen and split screen view. Of course, what this allows you to do is if you want to swipe for split screen, you can drag with 2 fingers from the bottom of the screen, and then you can select another application, which will then allow you to use the split screen view very simply. And if you want to do pop-up view, you can similarly go ahead and go to the top corner and drag that to get your pop-up view. Now, there is another app, though, that will allow you to get even more out of your multitasking experience in Good Lock called Multistar. And one of the options in particular really helps me with using the pop-up view, because sometimes the area where you have to swipe this to a pop-up view is kind of small. So I want to talk about that and show you guys how to use Multistar a little bit more carefully today. Before we get started, I do want to remind you guys, make sure you check out the website, SammyGuru.com, covering the latest Samsung news, tips, tricks, tutorials, and reviews. You can bookmark us and also set us as a preferred source in Google News to make sure you get all of our content. If you're in the US, you can tap on that orange banner at the top and get in our mystery box program. Put in your email, your phone number, or both. You get a free case, cleaning kit, 65-watt charger, USB-C wired earbuds, screen protector, and more when you buy a Galaxy S26 device with us. All you have to do is use our affiliate link. We cover all the shipping, and the product's cost comes right out of that affiliate revenue. We give back to you guys, continue to fund our work here on YouTube and on the website. Check it out if you're interested below. So let's go into Good Lock here and take a look at Multistar. So this is Multistar right here. If you've never downloaded it, definitely encourage you to use it. Not only is it great for your slab phones, but it also has foldable specific features. So if you have a Galaxy Z Flip or Galaxy Z Fold, you'll be able to get some additional use out of this app. Now, there's a couple of things that I really like to turn on. For those of you who have 3-button navigation, I highly recommend this, quick launch of multi-window. If you turn this on, you'll be able to press and hold your recents key if you're using 3-button nav to quickly launch multi-window. That is an option that's really enjoyable. I don't use the 3-button nav. I obviously use gestures, but if you do have that, it's great. Now, multi-window screen zoom, what this does is when the app is running with multi-window, either pop-up or split screen, you can choose if you want to have it for both, the screen is reduced to show a lot more content. So I can actually show you what this looks like. If I turn this off for pop-up view and I do the pop-up, you'll see right here how much content is shown. It goes down to multi-focus. However, if I go back in here and turn this on for pop-up view, you'll see here, now it goes all the way down to prevent pop-up view minimization. It's showing more content in that same pop-up window. It'll also do the same thing if you turn on split screen view. You'll be able to get more information in both of the applications that you're using in split screen view. This is another game changer feature inside Multistar. Apps that stop when they lose focus no longer stop. So this means if apps stop when they lose focus, which means they're in focus of one of those multi-window instances like pop-up or split screen view, those will then no longer stop and they'll continue running. So you'll be able to get information from social apps and things like that, real-time data. Remove the blur effect on adjusting the split view. I've never really I like having the blur effect. I think it looks beautiful, but if you don't like the blur effect when you drag and resize your multi-windows, like your split screen view to get that, however you want it, half and half, 60-40, all the way down to 90-10, you can remove that here. Keep split mode. In the split mode, it maintains the split mode when running a new app. This is great because then it will make sure that you still have split screen mode. Even if you decide to run a new app, you'll still be able to get that split mode instance. Prevent pop-up view minimization, very simple. If you don't want that to happen, you can turn it off here. High resolutions for external display. You can use high resolution supported by DeX regardless of wired connected accessories. Device may heat up. So this is particularly if you use DeX with an external monitor. Turn this on to get better performance overall, high resolution. But again, the device can get hot, so you also will get worse battery life. Keep that in mind. If you don't have access to a charger, you might not want to do that. And then down here at the bottom, this is actually the one that I was talking about that I find to be a game changer. It's called swipe pop-up, set pop-up gesture size. So this says when you swipe from the top corner toward the middle of the screen to change the pop-up view, you can choose what portion of that top corner you actually need to hit in order to get this. Now, the default is actually here. It's actually the second little notch or whatever you want to call this. I find this one to be a little difficult sometimes to trigger, so I turned it up to the middle, and I find it a little bit easier to always get my pop-up instances when I need them. Now, keep in mind, if you do this too large, you may also accidentally trigger the pop-up view, which would also be bad on the other end of the spectrum, so that's something to keep in mind. Personally, I like this one. The third notch seems to be ideal for my use. You can try it and let me know as well. So like I said, you've got these advanced options that you have in the regular advanced settings, but there's a lot of cool stuff in Multistar. And if you have a flip and a fold, you can also do some really cool stuff, particularly with your flip, making sure that you can run various applications on the cover screen. I actually have a video about that, and I'll drop it up here if you guys with the foldables, with the flip particularly, are interested in checking that out. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure you check out the website. Again, bookmark the website so you get our great Samsung news, tips, tricks, tutorials, and reviews. Tons of tutorials on the website all the time, in addition to breaking news and hardware reviews. Check out the Mystery Box program if you're interested, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.